I've never been on this before. This is pretty cool. The one in Confederation Park in Burnaby has no roof, right? This one has a roof. Are they still open there?
This one actually has seats, so remember the other one we had to kind of squat over.
What time is that one open till? Actual like steam, because I can smell steam. The other one is more
electric.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Look at those guys. They have a railroad track in that desert we went to last year. Funny? They should though. That'd be sweet if they...
Yeah, probably make a lot more money.
Where are we going, Raphael? Oh no, I don't want to be in the dark. I'm scared of the dark, Raphael.
It's okay.
It's going to be dark and cold. I hope there's no monsters. Yeah? Oh no. Scared, Raphael. Who are those guys? Let's go. It's a monster. It's a monster.
No, it's just a panda.
Oh no, it's the boogeyman. It's the boogeyman.
A polar bear and a kangaroo. More panda bears.
They're bears with white faces and white stomachs. Eagle! Ah, he caught the fish.
And look at the teddy bear with the babies.
Who needs Disneyland?
Wow. More pandas.
He's moving around. Oh my goodness.
So stuffies.
They don't have this in the Confederation, but this is pretty cool.
Oh, look, the little bark, 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 bark. Oh, look, Raphael.
Barnstein bears, right?
Yeah, Barnstein bear. Having fun? We already went in the tunnel. Yeah. Where are the people, Raphael? Where are the people? Say hi.
Hi. Hey, look.
Oh, look.
Look, open.
I think those are bears. Oh, no. Be careful.
You gotta love it. A little intrigue.
That's when you need to cut your shrubbery back. When it goes into the train. Hey, Paulina.
Tina, get down, train.
Yeah.
Tina, I want to go home.
Have you been on this train before? Have you been here before, Raphael? You have?
Look, a bridge. Oh, wait, mommy, I'm gonna switch spots.
What do you think, Raphael?
Good.
Fun trip?